Alright, today you can see I'm really tiny and far away because I'm going to be doing a big old driving test. Not in cockpit, I'm going to be controlling it from the back. That way I can know that she actually works before I go spending all my time getting up there. So I'm going to start up the engine, get rid of the trucks, and get to it. Looks like it'll be a bouncy ride up there. Something I need to do is put the steering indicator back in because the piece broke on it. I'll show you that afterwards. That way I can actually know which way the wheels are going inside the cockpit. Bit too far. Probably can't see it on camera, but this yard's quite bumpy. And it's also more difficult for the linear actuator to turn the wheel because it has to compete with all the grass. And it's kind of sinking into the grass, making it hard to turn, but it's still able to do it. Her right steering wheel is hyperextending a bit. You can see how far over the linear actuator is. It's actually supposed to be almost flush with the beam. So I got to put a piece of wood here to keep it from traveling over so far. Now the ideal condition is tarmac or gravel, so this is kind of a off-road test. And there we go. Almost put her back exactly where she started from. Put some chocks in to keep her from rolling away. And there we go. Something I might want to consider investing in is getting some more powerful linear actuators. Because they're kind of struggling a bit on all this grass and kind of sinky soil and stuff.
And this is the steering indicator. You can see the Bowden anchor has broken off because this was printed rather thinly. So I just got to print a new indicator needle with a thicker base, and I should be able to drive around inside okay. And also make sure the optical system works because the PiCam has been in there for a few months, semi-exposed to the elements, so just got to make sure it still works, otherwise I got to spend another $10 and get a new one. And that will be all to do for Marduk until a in-cockpit test drive. So, if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe and off-road with your mechs today. Bye-bye.